I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make Peking chicken wontons. Now I'm going to talk about the equipment that you'll need to make Peking chicken cups. You'll need the usual suspects, a good chef's knife, and a good paring knife. Using a vegetable peeler for the cucumber, and tongs because we're going to be stir frying. Need a little bit of a spatula to get everything out of our little cups of ingredients. This is a really nice, big, roomy stainless steel wok. Also going to use a saute pan for poaching the chicken breast. And most importantly, this gem muffin tin. This is what we're going to bake our wontons in, and the wontons will get their shape muffin tins. These are called gem muffin tins because they're the small size and they're perfect for the size of the wontons. When we come back, we're going to poach the chicken breast. See you then.